Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update on Pundu. It's tough to say this whole daily wick, man. That was what? Like a ridiculous 70% drop, I think, on the day one. Went down 45%, and then here we are. We went as low as 72%, and then now we're off the bottom a little bit, so 62% down from the all-time high. Just basically, this is an accumulation range. So this coin isn't dead. It's got plenty of liquidity. Didn't live up to the hype. Most coins don't. Book of Memes is just a rare, perfect storm of catching people off guard. And then very few people had money in the project from the pre-sale to actually dump. I think everyone only had $50 to jump into it. So everyone was incentivized to hold. So unlike some people who put hundreds of thousands of dollars into Pundu and then dumped it. So it is what it is. This is a nice accumulation range. So this is likely going to be, once you get back above the 236 here, then you're having your steps as you move up. So thankfully now it's over onto MEXC and Bybit. So I've drawn out the expectations in the short term. I've drawn it down to the 1 minute. Those of you that know me, I spend a lot of time on the lower time frames for scalp purposes. But because this coin has a small, tiny range, it's just better to zoom in on it. So we have a cup and handle playing out, only a 35% move. But again, if you're using like low leverage like I am, between 1% and 5% leverage, it can exponentially move in that regard. So something to look at too is if we pull a range here for you. This is why I like having stuff on my charts, is I can pull a fixed range. So come to the low, basically. We'll come down to here, include the high. Go over. So we're about to get back above the value area high here, which we've been fighting this whole time. So my long right now is net negative by about 20 bucks and nothing crazy, but I've been holding. So this little yellow line right here is me. So that was my entry. Not the best entry, but it's my average entry. So I have a couple layered, and I should have bought more down here, but I didn't. I was hoping to come lower to grab more, but that is what I'm doing. This could be a multi-week or a multi-month hold, depending upon the project. Because the nice thing about low leverage longs and or shorts, if it's a bull market versus bear market, and obviously we're in a bull market, so low leverage long, my liquidation is basically zero. So as long as I'm comfortable holding underwater for a long time, expecting it to go higher, I'll hold it. So this project, in my opinion, is on the bottom. It has only time to go up. And let's go back to the chart here. And if I pull, already pulled a fib top bottom, right? So let's look at the fib extension. So let's go back to our little point tool. And let's say we hit the 4236. So what is that? So that is, let's do some speculation. That is a almost an 8x return, right? So 800%. Let's round up. So let's go to market cap. Let's do the same thing on market. This is one reason why I like deck screeners. You can do market caps on stuff. So let's just pull this again. Fib. And then let's deduce where our market cap is. Realistic. You can get up to as a $390 million market cap. That's totally realistic for a meme coin of this size and caliber. It's still building upon it. You've got Dowmaker pushing it. So a lot of whales, if you go through here, have been accumulating, like this guy here. He keeps throwing in. He's got $1.4 million in this coin. He keeps throwing in $4,000 buys. He's got 4 of them clustered together here. But he's layering in, or she. But yeah. This is what I'm in. I'm also looking to get back into Book of Memes in terms of a low leverage long is there as well, but that's a whole different video for a different day, but I want to give you a heads up on this one. So nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me here at a Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blockart Discord. Thanks.